Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Spark, the place where learning English feels easy, natural, and fun. I'm your teacher for today.
Hi. Hi, everyone. It's great to see you again.
Hi there. How are you feeling today?
I'm doing really well. Thank you. You look cheerful today.
I am. I'm excited because today's lesson is one of my favorites.
Oh, really? What's it about?
We're going to talk about how to answer the question, tell me about yourself.
Ah, yes. That's such a common question. People ask it all the time, at work, in school, or when meeting someone new.
Exactly. And sometimes people freeze up because they don't know what to say. But today we'll make it simple and enjoyable.
Sounds perfect. Who starts? You or me?
How about you go first? Tell me about yourself.
Okay, sure. Let's see. Well, my name is Mark. M-A-R-K.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So where are you from?
I'm from Australia. It's a beautiful country with lots of beaches.
Australia. Wow. I'm from the United Kingdom.
Quite far apart, aren't we?
Yes, very far. Do you live in a city or in the countryside?
I live in London. A big, lively city. Always busy. What about you?
I live in a small coastal town. It's quiet, peaceful, and close to the sea.
That sounds lovely. Big city and small town. Two very different worlds.
Yes, both have their charm. So, may I ask how old you are?
Of course. I'm 27 years old.
Oh, nice. I'm 30, not too far apart.
Right. So, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher, and I absolutely love helping people speak with confidence.
That's great. You're doing an amazing job here on the channel.
Thank you. And what about you?
I'm a university student. I study computer science.
Wow, that's interesting. So you work with technology.
Yes, I enjoy solving problems and learning how things work.
I can see that. A creative teacher and a curious student. Good combination.
Definitely.
Let's talk a little about your family. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I do. I have one older sister. Her name is Claire. She's 30.
That's nice. What does she do?
She's a nurse. She loves helping people.
Wonderful. I also have a sibling, a younger brother named Sam. He's a musician.
A musician? That's cool. What instrument does he play?
He plays the guitar and writes his own songs.
Very creative family.
Thank you. What about your parents?
My dad is a photographer, and my mom is a teacher, just like you.
Oh, how nice. A teacher's son.
Yes, she teaches little children and she loves her job.
That's wonderful. Let's move on. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Charlie.
A dog? What kind?
He's a golden retriever, friendly, always full of energy.
Sounds adorable. I have a cat named Bella.
So, you're a cat person, and I'm a dog person.
Exactly. Bella is quiet, gentle, and sleeps most of the day.
That's classic cat behavior.
Yes, indeed. Okay, now let's talk about things you like. What's your favorite food?
Tough question. I love many foods, but I think my favorite is sushi.
Sushi, delicious and healthy. I love Italian food, especially pasta.
Pasta is always a good choice.
And what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. Calm and peaceful like the ocean.
I like green. It reminds me of nature and fresh air.
Blue and green, they go well together.
They do. Okay, what's your favorite animal apart from Charlie?
I really like dolphins. They're intelligent and friendly.
Dolphins are wonderful. I like horses, elegant and strong.
Nice choice.
How about hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy playing the guitar and watching movies. Sometimes I play soccer with my friends.
Very active. I like painting and reading novels in the evening.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. Reading and art help me unwind.
I agree. I also enjoy traveling. Seeing new places gives me new ideas.
Oh, traveling is great. Where would you love to visit next?
Japan, for sure. I love the culture, the food, and the technology.
Excellent choice. I'd love to visit Italy one day for the art and food.
Sounds amazing.
Now, let's switch it up a bit. What are some things you don't like?
I really don't like waiting in long lines. It's so boring.
I feel the same. I also don't like waking up too early.
Oh yes, mornings can be tough.
Definitely. But coffee helps.
True.
So, if someone asked you to introduce yourself, how would you do it?
I'd say, hi, my name is Mark. I'm from Australia. I'm studying computer science. I love music, sushi, and dogs, but I don't like waiting in lines.
That's excellent. Clear and friendly. I might say, hi, I'm Anna. I'm an English teacher from the UK. I enjoy art, books, and cats, but I don't enjoy early mornings.
Perfect. It's simple and natural.
Yes, when you talk about yourself, you don't need to say everything, just a few interesting details.
Right. If it's a class, you can mention why you're learning English.
Or if it's a social event, you can talk about your hobbies or favorite things.
That helps people start a conversation.
Exactly. Tell me about yourself is not a test. It's an invitation to connect.
I like that. It's a chance to share who you are.
And today, I learned that you're a tech student who loves dogs, sushi, and blue.
And I learned that you're a teacher who loves art, pasta, and cats.
It's been fun.
It really has.
Before we finish, let's remind our amazing listeners to subscribe to Mr. English channel.
Yes, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and practice writing about yourself in the comments.
Exactly. Write 1 or 2 sentences. Tell us your name, where you're from, or your favorite food.
We'd love to read them all.
Thank you for joining us today, everyone. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep learning.
See you soon for another fun episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Made Easy. I'm Anna, your English teacher.
Hi, Anna. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again.
How are you feeling today, Mark?
I'm doing very well, thanks. You look excited today.
I am, because today's lesson is one of my favorites.
Oh, really? What are we learning about?
We're going to talk about one of the most common questions in English. Tell me about yourself.
Ah, yes, that question always comes up in interviews, in new classes, or when meeting new people.
Exactly. And sometimes people freeze because they don't know what to say.
True. So we'll make it simple and fun today.
That's the plan. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this lesson with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, please. It really helps our channel grow.
Great. So, are you ready to begin?
Let's do it.
Perfect. Let's start with something easy. What's your name?
My name is Mark. M-A-R-K.
Nice to meet you, Mark. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Anna.
Where are you from, Mark?
I'm from Australia. And you?
I'm from England.
Oh, that's cool. I've always wanted to visit England.
You should. Where in Australia do you live?
I live in a small coastal town. It's peaceful and near the ocean.
That sounds beautiful. I live in a big city, full of noise and energy, but I love it.
So we're opposites. You like the city, and I love the calm countryside.
Exactly. Now, tell me, do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a small house with a backyard.
Oh, nice. I live in an apartment, but it has a little balcony where I keep some plants.
That sounds lovely. Okay, next question. How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
And I'm 27.
Wonderful. So we've talked about name, place, and age. Let's talk about work. What do you do, Mark?
I'm a graphic designer. I work from home and create logos and posters.
That's such a creative job.
Thank you. And you're an English teacher, right?
Yes, I've been teaching English for 8 years. I really enjoy helping people speak confidently.
That's great. Teachers change lives.
Thank you, Mark. Now, let's talk about your family. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have 2 sisters, one older, one younger.
That's a nice balance. What do they do?
My older sister is a nurse, and my younger sister is still in high school. What about you, Anna?
I have one brother. He's a musician. He plays the guitar in a band.
Wow, that's awesome. So music runs in the family.
Sort of. My mom is a piano teacher and my dad is an engineer.
That's a nice mix of art and logic.
It is. What do your parents do?
My mom owns a bakery. She makes amazing cakes. And my dad works as a pilot.
A pilot? That's incredible. I bet he travels a lot.
He does. He always brings home little souvenirs.
That's wonderful. Now let's talk about pets. Do you have any?
Yes, I have a dog named Charlie. He's a golden retriever. Very playful.
I love golden retrievers. I have a cat named Bella. She's lazy but adorable.
A dog person and a cat person. Classic combination.
Totally. Now let's move on to favorite things. What's your favorite food?
That's hard. I like many foods, but if I have to choose, I'd say sushi.
Oh, good choice. I love sushi too. My favorite food though is curry.
Yum. I like curry, but not too spicy.
Same here. Okay, next. What's your favorite color?
I really like orange. It feels warm and energetic.
Nice. My favorite color is purple. It's calm, but powerful.
Great combination. So, favorite animal?
Definitely cats. They're elegant and mysterious.
And I'll say dogs, loyal and full of joy.
Perfect. Now let's talk about hobbies. What do you do for fun?
I love taking photos, especially landscapes. I also play basketball with friends on weekends.
Oh, I didn't know you were sporty.
A little bit. What about you?
I enjoy reading novels and doing yoga. It helps me relax after teaching.
Sounds peaceful.
It is. Okay, what's something you don't like?
I don't like rainy days when I have to go out.
I can understand that. For me, I don't like being late. It makes me nervous.
That's a good one. Okay, how about a food you dislike?
I don't really like mushrooms.
Really? I love mushrooms, but I don't like very spicy food.
Fair enough. Everyone's different. That's what makes Tell Me About Yourself so interesting.
True. You can share small details and people start to know you better.
Exactly. You don't need to tell everything at once. Just a few details depending on the situation.
Like, hi, I'm Mark. I'm from Australia. I'm a designer and I love dogs and sushi.
Perfect example. Or, hi, I'm Anna. I'm an English teacher. I love cats, yoga, and purple.
Simple, clear, and friendly.
Yes, and always say it with a smile.
Absolutely.
Well, that brings us to the end of today's lesson. Time really flies when we're talking.
It sure does. I had a great time.
Me too. And to everyone listening, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, please. It really helps our channel grow.
Great! So, are you ready to begin?
Let's do it.
Perfect. Let's start with something easy. What's your name?
My name is Mark. M-A-R-K.
Nice to meet you, Mark. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Anna.
Where are you from, Mark?